All right, so now let me show you how you can create a membership dashboard using dapp's new member page builder. So access it from here, member facing pages, and it will bring you to a page like this. Now we use the setup wizard to create some of these pages already, right? Login page, member home, my content, my profile. These 4 pages were created by the setup wizard. However, as I mentioned to you, you can always update it, right? So first, let's go ahead and take a look at what pages were created for us and how it looks and all that. And then you can always come back and update it here. If you want to update the login page, for example, you can click on it and it will bring you here. It will show you what you have right now. You can create multiple login pages if you want. You don't have to, but this is the one that was created. You can always click on edit settings. You can see this is the general settings. This is the login customizer, where you will find the customizer. If you want to upload a different image, you can do that. If you want to change the text, you can do that. Everything is fully customizable, right? And at the end, it's going to give you a shortcode. This is a shortcode, right? If you want to publish this on a completely different page, that's fine. It's going to display the login form on that page. But by default, dapp will set it up for you on this page where, but you can always update it. You can always use the same login form anywhere, anywhere you want on any page, because this is all shortcode based. So let's go ahead and take a look at what dapp has done and what this page looks like by default. All right, so you can see here, this is the login page. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty nice already, right? If you want to change this image, you can do that. If you want to change any of this text, you can. This is the page where, where your members can log in from. So you can add a link to this page on your menu, on your main home page. Make sure you have a menu item that says members. So when they click on it, you can send them to the login page and they can log into your membership site from there. And we'll test this out later, but this is where they can log in. So now let's take a look at the member dashboard and see what it looks like. All right, so this is the one that was created by dapp. Let's take a look at this and see what it looks like in the front end. All right, so this is what it looks like by default. I haven't even done anything. And I have just created 2 courses. I'm logged in as an admin. I have access to these 2 courses, but other than that, I don't have access to anything else. So that's why it's not showing anything else. But this is the setting, right? And it looks pretty nice by default. So now you can update all of this. Now this is just the member homepage, meaning this is the page where they will find all the products, all the courses, everything, right? For each one, you can add a different category, different section here. For courses, one section. For products, a different section. For freebies, a different section. So you can organize it however you want. And also, what you want to do later on is once you have this member homepage looking exactly how you want, you can update it using your page builder, right? And you can add tabs here. You can add some tabs here, vertical tabs or horizontal tabs. That way, in each tab, you can have different things. In the first tab, you can say dashboard. You can insert this dashboard shortcode there. And then you can have a tab called My Account, where you can insert dapp's My Account shortcode, My Profile shortcode there. I'll show you exactly how to do that later on. But let's go ahead and take a look at the back end and update some settings here. I'll show you different things you can do with the membership dashboard. All right, so this is the back end of the member dashboard. I'm going to edit this and show you how you can update it, add different sections, do different things, customize it, personalize it, all that cool stuff. Now, if you want to create a brand new dashboard, that's fine. Just click on it and give it a name and dapp will create it for you. Even if you have not used the setup wizard, you want to create a brand new one, you can do that here. And again, everything is shortcode based in dapp. Just because dapp creates it for you and inserts the shortcode on this page, it doesn't mean you have to use this page as your dashboard. If you want to just grab the shortcode from here, place it on a different page on your site, and you want to make that your membership dashboard, great, do that. Just insert the shortcode wherever you want this dashboard to show up. Let's go ahead and edit this. All right, so tab number 1, give it a name. We have a name for it already. This is the template. Next. This is where you can customize everything. There are so many options here. Let me show you what we have done here. So here, this is going to, in the front end, is going to show them the name, email, and they can update their profile details. It will link to the profile page you have in dapp, member profile page. They can upload a profile image, this section, right? If you want to change anything, you can, but I don't recommend changing it. If you want to change the font family, colors, whatever, you can do that. Just click on it and change it. You can see on the right side, there is a customizer and there is a category. There are 2 tabs here. Customizer, you can see there are so many options here. You can customize the colors, image, progress bar colors, button colors, everything. You can do that here. You will find different options here to do that. And category, what are the different sections you want to display in your dashboard? Now, you can see here by default, it's going to have your courses section and your product section. All right. This is what it's going to have by default. You can customize, you can change it, you can add whatever you want here. Now what goes into the courses section? You can configure the products that goes here. Click on it and you can, whatever products you want to show. By default, this is going to be set to all, which means anything the users have signed up for, they're going to see it. But if you want to show them specific courses, you can do that too. And it's going to show them the courses based on this, right? So if a course is in progress, it's going to show that first, then completed, then enrolled. So this is the order in which it's going to show them, but you can change it, right? Change the order in which you want to show them. That's fine. And if there is a specific product you want to hide, you can select the products you want to hide or courses you want to hide. You can do that here, all right? So this is how this section works. Now the same thing is with the products, right? It's going to show them all the products they have signed up for or purchased from you in this section. This is what it's going to look like. You can configure it and you can see by default, it's going to be set to all, which means anything that they have purchased from you. Now, all does not mean they're going to see everything you have. Like, you don't want them to see these example or sample products. These are not real products, right? DApp will know who they are. They're logged in. So DApp will show them the right ones, right? DApp will show them only the ones that the logged in member has, right? If they don't have access to something, DApp is not going to show them that, right? So if you want to showcase products they don't yet have, you can do that, but that will be in a different section, right? You can upsell your products, but I'll show you how to do upselling using this dashboard in a bit. But these are the main sections, right? These are the ones they have, right? What they have signed up for, what they have purchased from you. That's what you can show here, your courses and your products section. Now, whatever goes here, if you want to change it, you can. But these merge tags, don't change it because it will allow DApp to show how many lessons they have completed. So it will say 5 completed out of 7 or 3 completed out of 10, whatever, right? So it's going to show them that. Access content button, if you want it to say something different, access this course, access the lessons, whatever, you can change it. Same thing with this, you can change it to whatever you want for your products, right? So the colors, all this stuff, you can change it here. We'll look at the customizer options, the width, the colors, the image, all that stuff later. Let's go ahead and add different sections first. So say that you don't want to show the courses, all the courses together. You want to show in progress first, then enrolled, then completed, right, in a different, and you want to have different section for each one. You can do that. All you have to do is hide, click on it and hide it, right? You can see no more courses. So what I have done, I have now enabled in progress, right? You can just click on this to enable it and you can see it's showing up here. I don't want to show all the courses together. I want to show different sections for each, right? Click on it and change it to whatever you want it to say. Not enrolled, I'm going to click on this and show the not enrolled section. And then you can also add completed, the ones they have already completed. You can rearrange it however you want to show it. And we have done it completed, we have done not enrolled, we have done in progress. We have not done this one, enrolled but didn't start yet, right? People that have enrolled in your courses but didn't start it yet, you can display that as a different section. So as I said, everything is it's completely up to you how you want to do this, right? So in my case, I'm going to show whatever products they have first, then in progress courses, then enrolled but didn't start yet, and not yet enrolled, completed. So not yet enrolled, this is the one you can use for upselling, right? So you can change the text to say you might be interested in these courses. What courses? Configure it here. Here you can say, I want to show them the courses they don't yet have. So select specific courses you want to upsell. And just because you have selected it doesn't mean users are going to see it in this section. They will only see this section, these courses in this section, if they don't yet have it. If they have already purchased course 1, it will automatically hide it. If they have purchased course 2, it will hide it. And if they don't have any courses that they haven't bought from you yet, like there is nothing that they haven't bought yet, then DApp will completely hide the you might be interested section because there's nothing that they don't yet have, right? So it's a smart dashboard. It knows what to show, what to hide. And completed courses. What courses should they see? Again, I'm going to select all and they can see all the courses they have completed. And this is how it works, all right? So you can create different sections if you want. You can create one section, you can create different sections so they can easily see which one's in progress. This is very useful if you have several courses and you want different sections rather than crowd one section with all kinds of products or courses. So you can do this if you have multiple courses. This is useful. And now if you want to rearrange, right, you want to show completed courses first, you can just drag it like this as well, right? Like this. And not enrolled at the end. One more thing you can do here is Say that you want to create this dashboard just for your courses. You don't want to show the products here. You want to create a different tab in your dashboard for your products. You can do that. You can just simply hide this and don't show the products here. Create a new dashboard shortcode where you can hide everything else and just enable the products. And in your product tab, use that shortcode. And in the courses tab, you can use the one where you show the courses. So that's up to you, mix and match. So let's go ahead and save it. I'll show you how this works, and then I'll show you how you can create different tabs and do different things. Let's go ahead and check out the front end now and see what it does. All right, it looks the same, right? It shows enroll but didn't start yet. So as I said, DApp knows who they are, what they have, what they don't yet have, right? So it will automatically show them the right things. So now what we need to do is start one of the courses, right? So it's in progress, and then we'll come back and visit this page and see what happens. Let me click on this course one. All right, so this is the course we created. So let's go ahead and mark as complete. So this lesson is complete and one lesson is left. Let's go back and check out the dashboard now. All right, you can see here in progress, 1 of 2 completed, right? And enroll but didn't start yet. So one course is in this status and one is in progress. So let's go ahead and complete this in progress one. It should fall into the completed bucket. There are only 2 lessons in this course. Let's go ahead and complete it. Done. Let's go ahead and visit the member dashboard again, right? This is the dashboard, and now you can see things have changed. So this is a smart dashboard. DApp knows what to show, what to hide. And now let's go back to the backend and let's change some colors and do some cool stuff here. Now, before we do that, let's go ahead and give the admin user access to some of the products so I can show you, what the product structure looks like. So this is the backend of DApp members page. And here you can see this is the admin account, and this user has access to course 1 and course number 2, right? I want to give this admin user access to some other products I have so that you can test. And this is how you can manually give people access to your products in your membership site. So here I'm going to select product A and apply, done. Now this user has access to this product A. Let's go ahead and check out the dashboard now. All right, so this is the member dashboard, and now you can see here your product section. It's showing up here now because this user now has access to this product. Access content. This is a PDF download, right? So when they click on it, they can download the PDF. As you can see, this is the PDF, right? So this is how it works, and enroll section is still here. Completed courses section is still here. So DApp will automatically show them the right sections based on who they are, what they have. All right. So let's go ahead and give access to another product here. The backend, select the same admin user. Give access now to product B. Apply. All right. This is the dashboard now. You can see I now have 2 products in my account, and I can access both the products all from a single centralized page, right? This is what a dashboard builder can do for you. And as you can see, you cannot create a dashboard that looks this great out of the box using any other membership plugin. That much I can tell you. And it's definitely not going to be as easy to create something like this, something that looks as amazing as this one, as quickly as I did using any other membership plugin. All right, so let's go back and do some customization here. So what I want to do is change some colors to show you what it looks like. All right, so template customizer, width and background. You can adjust the width. By default, it's full width. You can change it. Now, category background. This is each section, right? What do you want the color to be? All right, so I'm going to just change the color slightly to a different color just to show you. All right, you can see instantly it changed it in the front end, right? So that looks great. Next, if you want to change the font, now say that you want to set a global theme. This is something new we have added in DApp where you can set the global theme, global settings. So you don't have to individually change the font size, font family, font colors. If you want to set it once and want to use it always, then all you have to do is go to the global settings page. It'll bring you here where you can set it up, all right? So this is the heading element, subheading element. So say that I want to increase the font to 24. For the heading element, subheading, I want to increase it to 19. And content element, I want to increase it to 16. Let's check it out in the front end. All this has changed automatically, right? So you can just change it once and it will apply, right? This is the subheading right here, and this is the content. And the button colors, let's go ahead and change the button colors. So this is the access button style, right? Access button. And so if you want to change it to a different color, this is the background color. Let's go ahead and change it. I'm going to change it to this. I'm going to change it to this color, border color to the same. All right. As you can see, in an instant, you can create a beautiful, amazing member dashboard, right? Change the colors to whatever you want. Looks so great. All right. So in the section style, you can see there are 3 things here. Not enrolled style. This is a not enrolled courses, right? So here you can, background color right now is this color. I want to change it to a different color, for example, here. It will instantly change it. Let's go ahead and save it. Learn more. You might be interested in this. And right now I have access to both the courses. So there's nothing for DApp to show under the you might be interested in section. So let's go and do one thing here in the backend. I want to remove my access to one of the courses, course number 2, all right? So that it will show that other course in the you might be interested in section. That's what I want to show you. All right, so we are here again. You can see your products, completed courses. You might be interested in these courses, right? It shows them this. When they click on learn more, it will send them to the sales page of this course where they can learn more. And in the rules tab of this course, you can let DApp know, where is the sales page of this course, and that's what this will be linked to. All right, not enroll section. As you can see, you can create a beautiful, amazing member dashboard page in no time. And that's not it. There are so many other things you can do with it. You can add your own custom category. You don't have to use the ones that DApp gives you. You can even create your own. So click on this. And what do you want to show in that category? You want to show special products, freebies maybe. You want to show courses, challenges. You want to show some other short code you have. You want to add that short code in that section. So you can do that too, right? And you can add whatever short code you want here in the content section. Give this category a unique name, and it will do that. All right, so what I want to do now is manually expire this user's access to this product so that I can show you, here I have changed the access dates, just to show you how you can create a special section in your membership dashboard where you can showcase all the products to which access has expired. Users access, members access has expired, so they can take action on it, right? So just you can bring their attention to the fact that, they no longer have access to these products and what they can do to renew their access. Let me show you how you can do this. So here I'm going to add another section, add a new category. This time I'm going to select product. I'm going to select expired and expired access. You can give it any name you want. And here I'm going to showcase whatever products their access has expired to and save it. It will only show them the right ones, right? And you can call it, say whatever you want here. Your access has expired. Your access to these products has expired, right? It's going to show all the products to which their access has expired. So in this demo so far, what I have done is I'm showing you exactly how to create a dashboard, add different sections in that same dashboard, right? But now let's say you want to show the products in a different tab. You want to show courses in a different tab. You want to show freebies in a different tab. You want to show expired products in a different tab. Let me show you how you can do this. All right, so you can see here, this is the current situation. This is my membership dashboard. And currently, I just have one shortcode right here under the dashboard tab. And this shortcode I got from DApp Member Page Builder. And I have configured it to show a profile section at the top, in progress courses, enrolled courses, completed courses, and then other products which are not courses, such as digital products, trainings, planner, PDF, all that stuff I have here. And then you might be interested in these courses. It's a section for courses and challenges that I offer from my membership site that the logged in member does not have yet. And also another section for trainings I offer from my membership site, trainings, PDF downloads, digital products that the logged in member does not have. So I have all of these sections all under the same tab. But I'm going to separate it out now. I'm going to create 2 different sections, one for courses and challenges, right? So I'll have the main profile here, convert it into a course dashboard or a challenge dashboard, where I'm going to have the profile section and the courses and challenges all here, right? In progress, enrolled, completed. I'll keep these sections here. I'm going to remove the products from here, right? I'm going to separate out the products from courses. So I'll add another tab right here. So course dashboard and product dashboard. Under the product dashboard, I'll add all other products that I have, right? Which are not courses or challenges, but just regular digital products. It could be video training, it could be PDF, it could be a template, everything else I'm going to add under that. And you might be interested in section. I'm going to separate it out for courses. I'm going to add it under the courses tab. This is for the courses. You might be interested in these courses. And the other ones, right, for the trainings, freebies that I have, but the logged in member does not yet have, I'm going to add it to the products dashboard. All I'm doing is one tab. I'm going to change it into two tabs, which means I need two different member dashboard shortcodes. One that goes into the course dashboard with just course related stuff, and another one that goes into the product dashboard with all the product related stuff. All right, that's what I'm going to do now. Let me show you how to do this. So this is the back end of the member dashboard page. I just want to quickly show you this. I'm using my page builder, which is Thrive Architect, to create this tab-based structure. This is just a tab element. And you can add a tab element here, look for tabs, and you can add a tab element, drag and drop it, and create your tabs. If you use Thrive Architect, this is how it works. But they no longer support vertical tabs like this, what I'm using. You can see here. It used to be there before, but they no longer support it from what I understand. So you can only create horizontal tabs. I'm not sure why they don't support vertical tabs anymore. But what we are also doing is we are working on a tab plugin, which will allow you to create different types of tabs, right? Vertical tabs with different templates, and you'll have a lot more options when it comes to creating your tabs and designing it however you want, with a lot more options. So we plan on doing that. We are working on it. We don't have that yet. So what you can do is use your page builder like Elementor, whatever page builder you like, and create tabs using their tab element. So if you are not able to do vertical tabs, just add horizontal tabs. But the main thing is, what goes into each tab. So in the dashboard tab currently, I have this member dashboard shortcode, and this is currently configured to show all the products, all the courses, everything, right? All under the same tab. So I'm going to separate it out now. So I'm going to clone this dashboard tab because I want to create and I have another tab here, right? I'm going to call it product dashboard. The first one, I'm going to change it to course dashboard. And I'm going to update this ID number 7, right? So member dashboard shortcode to only display course and challenge related stuff. And I'm going to create a new shortcode to display product related stuff in the product dashboard. Let's go ahead and do this now. So this is the DApp backend, member facing pages. You can get to it from here and click on member home. So number 7, ID number 7, I have several shortcodes, each one doing different things. This is the one I'm using on that page, number 7. I'm going to edit this. So this is where what I want to do is under the category right here at the top, this tab, I'm going to turn off anything which is not course related, right? Your products. I don't want this your product section because I'm going to move this to the other tab. I'm going to hide this. It's no longer here. You can see it's gone from here. And more awesome trainings. This is also for products. I'm going to hide this. Done. Everything is now related to courses and challenges. All right. So you can see here, course dashboard. This is what it says. Everything looks good, right? All set. Now you might be interested in section if you want to move it above the, completed section. You can do that too. Let's go ahead and do this. You can use this icon right here to move it about this section. Done. And you can also move it from here, right? Towards the right, you can see. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And now the you might be interested in section is going to be right below the enrolled section. So you can move it, towards the top if you want. That's it. So now we're going to go ahead and create a different shortcode, but just for products. All right. We are back here. I'm going to create a new shortcode. I'm going to call it products, right? Product dashboard. And you can call it whatever you want because you're not going to send them to this page directly. This is just a placeholder page for you to generate the shortcode because you're going to grab the shortcode for the product and insert it in that other tab we have, right? In the front end. So this is just a placeholder page. It doesn't matter what you call it. All right, next step. So here we don't want the profile section because we already have that, right? So go to category right here and hide the profile section. That's it, right? This icon you can use to hide it. Now it shows your courses. We don't want courses here. This is just for products. Hide it. So now it has a your products section, which is what we want. We also want a you might be interested in these other products. This one, right? This is not for courses. This is for products. So all the products. So now what do you want to show in the your products section? Click on this configure and configure the products. By default, it's set to all. It's going to show them all the products they have, right? That's what you want. You don't have to change this. All the products they have signed up for is going to show them that, right? They're only going to see what they actually have, what they have signed up for, right? That's what the your product section is for. DApp knows who they are. DApp will only show them stuff they have signed up for, and it will not show them anything else. All right. So that's the your product section. Now you might be interested in section will help you upsell products that you have that the logged in member does not yet have. In this case, don't select all because you don't want them to see all your test products, right? As you might be interested in product. You need to be strategic about this one because you want to showcase stuff that you have, but they don't yet have. And these are products which are not courses, right? I'm not going to show anything which is not a course, just the products, no courses here. If you want to change the category background color, for example, you can change it, right? I'm going to change the color just to bring some attention to this one. You also have the global customizer for all of this. If you want to increase the font, you can do that. If you want to increase the font size, you can do that. All right. So this is the course dashboard and it has all the course related stuff, right? And now let's look at the product dashboard. And this is what it looks like. You can see here. It shows only the products which are not courses. So it shows your products because these are the products this logged in member has. And it is showing you might be interested in these other products. The logged in member does not have these two products. And they can click on learn more to go to the sales page or the opt-in page of these products to get access to it. This is how it works. All right. So as you can see, it's so easy to create these different sections for your products. It's a really nice way to bring their attention without being overly, salesy, where you're able to bring their attention to all of these other cool products, courses you have that they probably didn't even know, you have. And here, one thing I just want to quickly show you is this My Account section. And all I have here is the shortcode, right? If they go to this page, they see the profile. You can see this is a profile page, again, created using dApp's member page builder profile page. And if they click on it, they will find their invoice. Whatever purchases they have made, they will find it here, all automated by dApp. I hope this was easy, and there are so many other things you can do with it. Obviously, I can go on and show you so many different use cases, but it's already a pretty long video, so I'm going to stop now. I hope this was helpful, and my name is Veena Prashant. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like my content, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This way, you'll be the first to know when I publish videos like this, and also be sure to subscribe to my newsletter because if you like my content, it's a no-brainer. You're going to learn something new every single week. Every Sunday, I send out an email which you will find helpful, related to memberships, quizzes, marketing, sales, everything. I hope to see you back here soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.